Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
When we talk about the most powerful destroyer in service with the Indian Navy, the first name that comes in our mind is INS Visakhapatnam, built under Project 15 Bravo or 15B. INS Visakhapatnam entered into service on 21st November 2021. As per the latest update, second destroyer of Visakhapatnam class is almost ready. Mormugao, the second vessel in this class, has completed its basic trials on 14th December and started its maiden sea trials on 19th December 2021, commemorating the Goa Liberation Day, and is planned to be commissioned in mid of 2022. Under the Project 15B, there are plans to build a total of 4 destroyers, out of which INS Visakhapatnam has already been inducted and Murmugaon has entered sea for trials. These vessels feature cutting-edge advanced technology and are comparable to the best ships of similar class anywhere in the world. These ships have been designed indigenously by the Indian Navy's Directorate of Naval Design. The 4 vessels of this class are Visakhapatnam, Mormugao, Imphal, and Surat, being built by Machgaon Dock Limited. The P-15B destroyers incorporate new design concepts for improved survivability, seakeeping, stealth, and maneuverability, which have been achieved through shaping of hull and use of radar-transparent deck fittings, which make these ships difficult to detect. Each ship spans 163 meters in length, 17.4 meters at beam, and displaces 7,300 tons. These ships will be propelled by 4 gas turbines to achieve speed in excess of 30 knots and has a range of 4,000 nautical miles. These ships are packed with an array of state-of-art weapons and sensors, including multifunctional surveillance radars and vertically launched missile system for long-distance engagement offshore, sea-based, and air targets. The destroyer is equipped with Israeli ELM-2248 MF Star S-band AESA multifunction radar, Thales LW08 D-band air search radar, BEL Hamsa NG Bose sonar. With their weapons, radars, and sensors like the vertically launched missile system and MFS stars, multi-function surveillance, and threat alert radars, the warship will be capable of long-distance engagement offshore, sea-based, and air targets. The vessels of this class are equipped with an Otto Melera 76 mm naval gun. For point defense, the vessels are equipped with 4 AK-630M close-in weapon system with 2 systems on either side of the superstructure. For anti-air warfare, the destroyers are equipped with 32 Barak 8ER surface-to-air missile LRSAM in 4.8 VLS. For anti-surface warfare, the destroyers are equipped with 16 BrahMos anti-ship missiles, also used as land attack missiles, enclosed in 2 8 cells VLS at the bow. For anti-submarine warfare, each destroyer is equipped with 2 twin torpedo launchers. It may be used for launching Varunastra heavyweight torpedo developed by DRDO. The destroyers are also equipped with 2 RBU-6000 anti-submarine rocket launchers, primarily for firing anti-submarine rockets. In future, the Nirbhay cruise missile and VL SR-SAM surface-to-air missile have been speculated to be integrated with the destroyer. Each destroyer is equipped with a helicopter hangar to accommodate 2 medium-sized helicopters, primarily the HAL Dhruv or Westland Sea King Mk-42B. The ships are equipped with a rail-less helicopter traversing system meant for securing the helicopter in case of adverse weather conditions at sea. Talking about advanced electronic warfare system, the ship will have the most advanced EW suite built in India till date. It is equipped with Shakti EW suite. Shakti will provide capability of the interception, detection, classification, identification, and jamming of conventional as well as modern radars. The Shakti EW system will provide an electronic layer of defense against modern radars and anti-ship missiles to ensure electronic dominance and survivability in the maritime field. The system has been integrated with the wideband electronic support measures and electronic countermeasures for the defense of Indian Navy ships against missile attacks. The ESM of the ship helps in finding accurate direction and interception of the modern radars.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.